more inside like 6 people.
How do you know?
Magazine had the two magazine. I have 6 about go inside. Jam on inside. Then how about that? I have window she had. And when they come about here, slam. I smoke that. Because of you know Jibo, so I'm worried Biafra and when Nigeria. You are saying, I see the one I see. You know, sometimes when Nigeria. See, no one that has spoken that should lie down. I like that. Of me, I love it. I'm not the 5. Not the inside this room.
Where was it? Where was it?
I'm inside church. No, I'm inside church.
You know, my name that time.
Another crowd outside. Some like 4 or 5 people in a window. My parents take us upstairs room. Go upstairs. Came on a staircase. My parents take us up. He just my brother inside. The more on our.
How did you make water? Exactly the bill. Now, a lot everything she made.
So all in the morning, around 2:30, I brought I'm on my canteen. I brought myself now pay after 3. Pay after 3 in the morning. But this is I'm not sure the pose. What was all the number for? Second inside. I was in the northern natural rules like 6. You showed me numbers about 1,000. Then Baba how do I say I'm going to come when you're there? I'm going to Africa, I'm going to Nigeria. I'm saying I don't say I'm going to go full language. You know, I'm going to go. So I'm going to Africa. How smoke it? That's like that. Here we're up.
Now this room no downstairs.
Yeah, this room no downstairs. Then the remaining crowd, some like 6 or 7 or 8 Hazana church. 4 or 5 not the criminal. 6 or 7 was inside the church.
Independent church of Jebwe.
Kota height ahụ ma onye ike ma hama big one. I want to let
how many guns can you to downstairs?
Downstairs.
About how many guns?
5 people are actually in the room and I'm shaded on the side.
With magazine?
With magazine.
Then
question.
You could control what I'm saying. No church, church. Na nwe lock na wunda wasa.
Ha say wunda wasa hanga ka ga na awu. Ha o da yin wa ka choro ho bia.
How to when be. They climb the altar.
She upstairs. She in that downstairs. They room the bar on. But person of door. The cause closing are downstairs. But inside the church.
Now inside the church, they climb on top of the altar.
About how many?
Like 6 people around the altar there.
What type of vehicles have we?
Some, I want one on my guy. No inside. If I'm the young, to say,
Go to see.
Band to some of you send a roll on side. Beyond the 2. Ofunima Parabiam, my brother inside, head to stop the home age in Nerwa. Happen to go here. I will have all by a Kishraiki. Rotomash is on Hemsul, that I love about which a Kishin Mabu to come out. The Amam said, Gina, Impire Gina, I got the room small. Then I can please, I'm going to lose that money like. Doesn't ask me lose my daughter. I don't lose it for that. Ndazanga wasn't the house and the car him about them to get it. The Donna security in the car. But she's a front of us. I heard this man chat tomorrow. No, there's not that chat to my brother.
Let me know some.
That was some.
The next deal,
okay.
This one.
How do you?
The car is 4 there. Or 5.
Asọ ndị Hausa asa ahụ ndị Hausa ahụ na.
Because what I may believe that mgbe ahụ unu zara asị n'ụlọ bụ ndị Biafra. Ndị ahụ bụ ndị Igbo. We can all these guys.
That's what ndị nwa ajụ m si ha nwoye Biafra ka ha mpụna Biafra ka mpụna Nigeria. Mgbe asị mara anyị na-asụ ofe asụsụ ị na-ajụzi ụsa ebe ọzọ mgbe ọ na Biafra. Ha sị n'oke data mụ ha nwere lọọ ha ụmụ onye Hausa ha agaghị emesi m ihe.
When you got the first time, what to people was happening?
No motor as in
I noticed this thing around 3, 4.
Your family.
So minutes after 2.
especially my auntie.
So I passed here around 12:31 a.m. yesterday. We have an issue. One of our member, one Osha lady, be now project. Never way. So I passed here. I got a bang, but I didn't know that. I knew that something was going to happen, but I'm not maybe I wish I did. Because last time I prayed, I noticed that we are in for a great shock. Although we have been praying about these things. But around that time, 3 a.m. No, 2 o'clock. Yesterday, my CCTV was on. Outside on off. The camera outside off. Anybody who knows me knows I cannot sleep. I don't sleep in the night. As I put that on off, I was like, what is this? Oh, the mother just put for that me. The other minute is okay. Onyara be aware konkonelu in the place no. Mucho Onyara also. And for some time now I've been followed. And I know I've been followed.
Yes.
But I only pray that prayer say, I'm not going to move. The brother that he name on Jack Column. Pastor Mike here that day. I told Pastor Mike on a Sunday.
Yes.
Say Pastor Mike say, I doubt if I'll be here on Sunday. Ask him. And make him prayer. I was about to close service that day.
Yes.
I took the mic near Pastor Mike say, I doubt if I'll be here on Sunday. If I'll be here on Sunday, it is going to be by the grace of God. What I see that is coming to me is heavier. I wish to Pastor Mike. That's when he was when he man like Peter. He was sleeping and his focus was on soldiers. He can't. So I have to my own lie low. I say I doubt. Honestly, I wrote my will. I doubt something that wrote my will. I call my wife. Come them ma. So even I made a video. So if I die, post the video. Because what I see that is coming is bigger than me.
They break again.
When they walk over here, now this step on here. Only 2 boys don't go. Around after 2 midnight one day. This step on here. My wife say any day I see this step ball, I will waste you. What I gotta do now? 2 boys, 3D, and at 2 a.m. Chinekele. I think you know what? We check on kita keep it na pola.
Okay, no. So this night, we make the Sunday and maybe we go and have my bag with the hand. I am in here. I'm on the other side. With the man I'm on. I don't mean. And they both have been working whatever that time. Yeah, top. I know my guy here, but how was that? I do. We go back. I that is the open go to yeah, but can't have it. I say, when you head on a head, I don't know.
He came from the back door. Maybe deep behind your house something. How can you make it a kitty? What did you get here again?
nkịta bụdoro
Ị na-ebi nkịta.
o bụ ụzọ wee ihe na-efe dị nkịta na-efe ya
Nkịta na-ele ya. Masa nkịta ka n'ishi. Ka anyị na-aga nkịta.
nkịta na-abụ nke ọzọ so ya ọ na-efe ha dị
Onye ga ofu onye ga nyọma mmiri na nyọ nwa atụ ọsọ. That biggest one now ha gburu. Bright.
oge ha mara fence gas ha mara fence na nke anọ this one
Right.
on catch you on fence
Yeah, okay. This one now okay. So go back. This one now okay. How many that thing billion? As that man ought to get that Kanaka. Can acquire Roshi said not can. So okay, we got team escape. War first. The dog is the way out.
they also wear my fence man so say I don't put to the side I will go the fence ya bụ your on my fence the dog actually have back even without that thing
Ambalos.
Free.
But if I should come on Sunday, not the grace of God. That's Michael asking Daddy when you want to make a meeting. But I want us to go back to prayers. Noel. We need to go back to prayers. Seriously now. Because if I show you threat messages now, well, hold on first. We cannot keep quiet. We can never keep quiet. Even people have been calling me since today. And that's why I was angry. Because I was surprised people in Lagos. I was surprised this is not pond here. But this is not in the Lagos that on the phone. And listen, even Monday Ocean on the phone. There are some things that will happen sometimes. I'm not them maturely. Information that can spread. God, when I was calling me. Information like all around, fam. Yeah, we don't like such thing. This is a lay threats with the person's number. Awesome. I hope you say open it now. Also, I hope you say that this thing was sent on the Tuesday, 29th of June, 2021. You say, I hope you say that Nnamdi Kanu is not coming back to Nigeria again, that he has run away. The day of your judgment is very close. As we get ready to face the judgment that is coming for you, because we can never forgive or forget, because you people are deceiving people in the name of pastor. See that your business? We are going to bring it down, I promise you. Then last I asked him, you are nothing but a criminal, deceiving people in the name of God. It's coming. Your days are numbered because of you. You have committed a lot of crime. You say, tell me why you insult me by calling me names. Be careful. Ask me idiots like you, thunderfire you and your generation. The day of your judgment is near. Then when we check it, the guy Okoye, when we check it through what that Okoye, and it's Imo State here. Then
hello, Pastor Ernest. We heard what happened in your church, that you send our men, all the IPOB out of your church. I am not ready to be prepared. I am highly prepared. Listen, anybody that want to carry a can of oil should first of all consider the clothes he's wearing. Before you carry oil on your head, consider the clothes you are putting on, because it can stain you. I am not against anybody. All these people that are dying, and we should know, so all of them are our brothers. So the only thing, if you know you love them, the thing you need to do is to stop them from dying. We are happy how soldiers, how police are killing people, are killing our people. Nobody's happy. They are our brothers. Most of them may be fathers, may be governors, may be senators tomorrow. But because of one wrong information, they came out and they died in mass. And God said, I should close my mouth and allow them to be dying. Go punish the devil. Warn your sons and your daughters. Warn all your family members. Don't come to this church to report me. But hear me. My prayer for our brothers is that God should give them job. God should bless them. Let them have something doing. If you are busy doing something, you will not die the way others are dying. This week. Most of you know, take the message to them. I am not afraid of anybody. But what I know, our brothers must stop dying. If it is to provide job for them, we are ready to give them job. Anything they can do to get busy, they should do to get busy. Not give me, God, give me. I want us to get Biafra. God will give you Biafra, yes. But first of all, get your grant first. And I pray for all our brothers. Pray for our brothers. May God give them work.
Jesus,
ask you a question. What is going on in that church and what is happening? We are coming back to you. We are coming back to you. You see your church, that church. We are coming back to you. If we don't burn that church down, we are not IPOB. If we don't burn that church down, we are not IPOB. Even your family is in fact, if you go and know where you can go right now, not only you. If you don't burn their church down with your family, we're not IPOB. How can you send us out from their church? Have you seen Onyedebo pursue OPC out of their church? Pursue Omoteko Apa out of their church? Even Adeboye. Who are you? Who are you to raise your dirty mouth against our leader? Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Who are you? Iwukwere iji were raise your dirty mouth. Iwukwere egwu iji were raise onye na-ata afụfụ because of you guys. Na-ata afụfụ mbụ this guy. Iwe nwe mouth were raise nyata Nigeria bia fight ya freedom fighter. Ala gbayebo. In fact, ị ga-ama na South Africa. Ị ga-ama na bụ ndị South Africa. Ị ga-ama na afọ anyị na-ata mmete n'ihu picture onye egburu eredi egburu na Abakaliki.
The bullet and I wipe you on the Fulani. How Fulani bro, one time one. I can show. If I show you the type of threats that have been coming, and you know that you don't know who is who now. Anybody know who is who now? You don't know who is who as you speak. A man they know with you, a man against you. But you are man, you are not alone. What are those guys prison for that? Like they say, we're not ignorant of the devices of the devil. Even the pastor told me, one of the pastors preached here, told me that he never believed that I'll be alive by now. I know that I am highly hated, and I even love it to an extent. I love the hatred to an extent, but oh God, we have to know that they will just want to bring out the former me. I am not Jesus that came to die for the world. Because if I run away, I'm a coward. I told Pastor Mike that day, say Pastor Mike, I doubt if I'll be in church on Sunday. And Pastor Mike said, I lied, but I know what I saw. For Jesus to see his son and said, Father, I wish this cup will pass over me, but nevertheless, let your will be done. And I made a statement plain to them that if God has destined them, that they are the one that will kill me, it will be in the Guinness Book of Record that IPOB killed a bishop in Igbo land. But if God used me and teach them a lesson, it means that God used a bishop to teach IPOB a lesson. But if I run away and they run away, it means that only they are failures. We are failing. You Satan is sending them, and they are disappointed Satan. If God is sending them, they disappointed God. And if God is sending me, I disappointed God. Also, I was supposed to say that. So, people are going on their own land. The people's house, the people who comes to my house in the Norian House. And the trouble doesn't last. But it only try to discourage you. But I feel like still thanking God that what that was planned has not happened. A lot has gone down. When they bring here, make sure they interview yourself. Doesn't that man? Deborah's had as members, not as members. The day they now own a bus stop here, on Tuesday, when is our somebody wants to say, oh, that's many. We don't have to like keep quiet. I know what have happened, and things have happened here. And I'm going to this is appointed. And all these things appointed, you know, no pastor in Igbo land supported me. You heard that they want to kill your brother. No pastor. When they heard that I was dead, I was surprised one Tuesday, some pastors came here. But when they heard that they were trying to kill me, they did not come. They had about 2 cats here to come and see if I am dead. So, I know that now, it is this that I'm spoiling business for them. I'm not spoiling business for them. You know the people who told me that my blood was spread on the espresso road. That was when we had the meeting we had. I said the minimum getting. In fact, a lot of them, there were 41 pastors that day. I was only one. It was more pastors self which at the end they lived that. And they invited me. I thought we here in me and one or two people were going to see. And one person in the next one was saying, I'm there inside the main room. And they're waiting for me. I don't associate. And I am careful of everybody. Even my childhood friend betrayed me, my first year. So I don't associate. That would be for that would be for my birthday. I know many of them will post it on Facebook. Power, thank you, man of God, this, that. But not in mafia. What they are praying is just that you can walk. But I don't want them. Yeah, okay, Bali. How about Allah? Because if I show my leg here, I don't want to be. In fact, everyone make every me put that. I have seen things that happened, but you gave me no. Arus Bakariki. Is you should your area. Is you should your area. But thank God, something tells me that yesterday, whether I was God or Satan or myself, to come to the church yesterday night, I'm back together. I'm bringing that too small. I didn't even that. I've been on that. I've been on that.
Jehovah, bianyere makao. Jehovah, bianyere no makao. Kamuweri keji merie ekwensu. Kamuweri keji merie ajomo. No tula. Ozabona keje. Renuaka Jehovah bianyere maka Jehovah bianyere maka Jehovah bianyere maka. You are praying, but God, you are praying. Can we read Mary Ekwensu? Can we read Kejime Ajomo? Nogula, Nogula, Meje, Nenuaka, Jehovah, Bianyere Maka. He that sings praise to wise. The last time. Jehovah, bianyere maka, oh Jehovah, bianyere maka, kaweri keji meri kwenso, agame meri hao, kaweri keji meri ajomo. Ọ̀nàdúwé, ẹ̀bọ̀bùnà méje, èlú ọ̀gá. Jesus Durungafe, Osimiruhe, Durungafe, Najo Wako, Durungafe, Ikamariruju, Durungafe, Ikamariruju, in Jesus' name. Tell somebody around you your date of celebration.
But somebody that said, neighbor, I'm inviting you for my house opening, my car dedication, my marriage. Tell the person your dates of celebration. Sometimes you don't know who and who is in support of you. Allow situations of life to introduce the real people around you. It is only in the time of need and in the time of trouble you will know who that is your friend. One, Jesus is God. He created every man and kept us in the Garden of Eden. And he says to the man, dress it and do what? And keep it. Dress it and keep it. Without dressing it, don't keep it. It is only what you dress you can keep. It is only things, the environment you can arrange by yourself, you can keep it. The word there is not that God will dress it for you or God will do it for you. You are the one that has been given the authority to dress the Garden of Eden. You are the one that God has given the authority to dress the garden. Anywhere you find yourself in business is not moving well, it is in your hand to dress the business and keep it. You are in a compound where everybody is complaining. It is in your hand to dress that place and keep it. You were born in a family where everything is scattered. It is in your hand to dress it and keep it. You were in a place where people are dying anyhow. It is in your hand to dress it and keep it. You are in a family where everybody is wretched and poor. It is in your hand to dress it and keep it. God himself cannot come down from heaven to dress it for you or to make it amend for you. Every man has a work to do, and without you doing that work, you cannot maintain your surroundings. Without you doing what you are meant to do, you cannot be celebrated in life. Take it from me. There are things that nature demands from us. Everybody on the other side of my voice, if you can stay in a whole day without sleeping in the evening or in the night, you stay 1 hour talking, that means you with a problem, you with a spiritual or physical problem. After eating, you don't go to toilet, that means you have a problem. After everything, there are some things nature on its own will demand from you. You don't need to cheat nature most times. There are things you need to do to achieve a result. The same thing spiritually. You were born in a family where everything is yaga yaga. You were born there with a purpose to dress it